Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to make some boozy eggnog. It's in the White House cookbook. We've seen a couple people on YouTube talk about what West Point had some riot because they were not letting them have the eggnog one Christmas. So figured we'd try it, see if it's actually that good. So bring you down here. I'm going to start out with 12 eggs separated. So I got 11 of them in here. And then we're going to beat the egg whites to a soft peak. Okay, so it's been beaten for like 5 minutes or so, and if you can see, it's just got soft peaks. You don't want it real firm. So we're going to set that aside, and then we got to beat our egg yolks, and you want to beat them until they're a light yellow. Okay, well it's a little bit lighter doing that part. So we're going to add, it's 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We're going to add like 1/3 of it, and whisk it in. And then another 1/3. I don't know how they did this back in the 1800s, because if I had to do that by hand, I wouldn't even make this. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar because this says you want it to ribbon, and this doesn't ribbon. Let me get a little bit more.
In there.
Zena's towels. Doesn't really ribbon. I added more sugar.
You need to add some more?
Yeah, I don't know how they would have whipped that in. I would have gave up a long time ago. Yeah.
I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
You can add as much sugar as you want for the sweetness.
Yeah. So now you're going to add 1.5 cups of brandy and 1.5 cups of rye whiskey.
Of your choice.
Or you can use less.
Or more. Depends how boozy you want it. Smell it.
And then you're going to add in 1 quart or 4 cups of whole milk. And then 2 cups of heavy cream. And then 2 to 3 teaspoons of nutmeg.
The nutmeg won't dissolve. You'll just incorporate it and make it part of it. Some strong nutmeg.
We're going to fold in our egg whites, or whisk in our egg whites. Oh, maybe they need to whisk a little more. The bottom wouldn't whisk. Still.
We do about 1/3 of it at a time. Saved y'all some more mixing time.
So it says it's best to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours before you drink it.
4 hours minimum, I believe. But it's best to let it set, if you can, let it set for 2 or 3 days. So that way it mellows out the booze. But if you like it kind of boozy, you can go ahead and drink it after 4 hours and kind of let everything meld.
You want to try it now, though?
I know you want to. Got a little ladle or something you want to get it out with? Or giant ladle you want to get it out with?
I guess we can use this one.
The froth, we'll bring you back tomorrow after it sets overnight. We'll give you a taste test now, but we'll show you how the froth is and everything on it after it sits, gives it some time.
You want your own cup?
Good. Let's get that reaction of all the alcohol.
You can taste it, but it's not that bad.
Really? Sorry, I'm not even in camera. So how have y'all been? It's been a little while. Very frothy.
Yeah.
No, it's actually really good.
You can taste the alcohol, but it's
Yeah,
not
it's not
overpowering.
overwhelming. Yeah.
Very good. It'd definitely be better colder.
Yeah, when it's good and cold, it'd be. Sorry about that cut. Battery died. Brand new battery. But no, it's actually really good. I don't remember what we were saying though.
I don't remember either. Other than it needs to go in the refrigerator, it'd be better colder.
Yeah, it'd be much better colder, just to have the chill to it. But bring you back tomorrow. Let you see how it is overnight, and catch you here soon. Okay, guys, we're back to try out the eggnog. We had to put it in a jar because we needed space in our refrigerator for doing Christmas stuff. But this much of it is actually the froth. The bottom part of it is the eggnog, but the froth is like super thick, super good. Trying to get you a better lighting photo. But it's been about a day and a half. And Merry Christmas to everybody and to the Griswolds. I didn't shake it, didn't do anything. It's mellowed out quite a bit. It's actually really, really good. Highly recommend it. So for a good eggnog for y'all for the year, and I know not everybody has when they have the family over, that they need that little something to take the nerves off. This will help. But absolutely fabulous. Highly recommend. Hope y'all try it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch y'all next time on our Texas Homestead.